Deputy Public Defender Joseph Russo says monetary bail should not play a role in pretrial decision-making. He is optimistic criminal justice reform will ensure that the presumption of innocence is a reality by not discriminating against poor clients.
There was hundreds and hundreds of clients sitting in jail on $2,500 or less bail simply because they could not make that bail. It had nothing to do with the risk to the community. It had nothing to do with the risk of flight. It was simply because they were poor. And in our system, poverty should not keep you incarcerated.
Russo says in Hudson County they currently have many clients who sit in jail for more than a year because they cannot make even minimal bail.
I think first and foremost we're going to have overall less clients incarcerated. And because less clients will be incarcerated, it makes it much easier to investigate their cases, to prep for trial, to prepare for trial, and to have mount a more vigorous defense. Many studies have shown that when clients are out of jail, it's much easier to mount a defense, to meet with your client, to do the appropriate investigations.
Criminal justice reform will create a fairer and better system of criminal justice based on objective risk factors that are not related to a person's wealth, promote public safety by allowing judges to detain high-risk defendants, and protect the liberty interests of poor, low-risk defendants.
Under the current bail system, risk of violence or dangerousness to the community cannot be considered in the bail determination. It can only be considered in setting conditions of bail. Under the system that will go into effect on January 1, 2017, danger to the community can in fact be considered. So it really, for the public, it creates a situation where there's greater public safety, but at the same time, we're protecting the constitutional rights of our clients to be able to be out of jail if they don't pose a significant flight risk and they don't pose a significant risk to the community. That, in essence, is a transparent bail system which benefits not only the public, but anyone accused of crime.
Russo says the speedy trial provision of the new law will be a major change.
The present system encourages individuals who frankly may not be guilty to plead to time served because they may have to wait as long as 2 years for a trial. That's a fundamentally unfair system. I think the speedy trial provisions of the new criminal justice reform bill implemented on January 1, 2017 will change that because there's 3 months that the state has to indict an individual and then 6 months to bring them to trial. Frankly, our clients should not have to sit in jail as they do in the present system until it's convenient to give them a trial.